Hi, good day, M6323. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Diana Ross G. Treseño. I am 30 years old, single. I live in Santa Fe Leyte, Philippines. I'm a Roman Catholic and undergraduate for almost 2 years in college.
Of what course?
Education.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper here in the Philippines.
I work as a helper here in Philippines for almost 3 years from January 25, 2023 until January 25, 2026. My duties and responsibilities are taking good care of the child, cleaning the house, tutoring the child, ironing, washing their clothes, and taking care of pet and cats.
Okay, so you have work experience being a helper here for almost 3 years and took care of a child which is 7 years old. But
Yes.
you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
I have served my nephew.
Nephew, so you are the one who took care of your nephew since birth, right?
Yes, sir, but it's only a short of time.
A short of time. But my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn because you have experience taking care of your nephew since birth, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Mm, I will check first, sir, the temperature and also the baby's stomach and also the diaphragm if it's full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will call my employer immediately.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to experience working abroad and also Hong Kong offer a high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or more depends upon the employer's needs.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No sir, but I'm willing to learn by watching YouTube and by reading books menu.
Okay, um, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes sir.
How about sharing jobs? You're the helper.
Yes sir.
Sharing room with kids.
Yes sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes sir.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes sir.
It is okay to you to help them go to bed, to the bathroom, and to hospital for checkups.
Yes sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I will take care of your family. I will serve you with loyalty and respect and kindness. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you very much, Miss Diana Rose. Thank you.